cast, mate. So Liam's using the Crossfire lure. Pretty easy to use. Rod tip down towards the water, mate, as you pull it. You can see that lure ducking and weaving out there. Really simple to use. And how many fish you got today, Liam?
2.
2 fish.
2 monsters.
2 monsters. Mid-50 model flathead for today for Liam. One's in the box for dinner and one was just tagged and released. And I'll get the net. That's alright, he can do that. Just keep the rod tip low because he's trying to get his head up. Well done, mate. Just very gently bring him towards the boat, okay? Gently. And then when I drop the net, oh, there goes another one. Just took off behind him. Well done, buddy. Now I'm going to come behind you with the net, okay? That's alright. Just bring him in here. Slowly. The less energy he's got in the boat, the better. Oh, no, keep his head down. Keep that pressure on.
This is my biggest fish for sure.
Oh yeah, mate. Oh yeah. Okay. Now don't panic. Okay, don't panic. You just... Nice and slow. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. Well done, mate. High five! Well done! Woohoo! Okay, open the bail arm. Oh yeah. Okay. Easily your biggest fish. Okay. This is a big fish, mate. Big fish. Where did I put that camera? Okay, just slowly. It's a lot deeper. Keep your rod tip away from the boat.
Come on, boy.
Oh. Ooh. Towards the net. Don't worry about it. Just...
Big fish.
Yeah. Just... He's well hooked. Okay, bring him back nice and slow. He's giving you a bit of curry, isn't he? He's giving you some curry. He does not want to come. Okay, hang on.
I like curry.
Okay, try that. He's still doing it. Have you loosened that off?
Nope.
Stop. Okay.
Come on, boy.
Bring him towards the net, buddy. Slowly. Okay, slow now. Slow. Lift him up a bit. Okay, we got him, buddy. High five. Let the bail arm off, mate. Bail arm. Look at that.
Is that bigger than the last?
Yeah, that's definitely bigger than the other one. That's well done, buddy.
Yeah, that's my biggest fish.
Oh well, a day of PBs. What was the tag number? 6620.
6. No, check again.
Six 6620.
6620.
Yeah, you're getting ready?
He looks ready.
Looks ready?
Looks ready as he is.
There we go.
Goodbye.
Another flathead on the Crossfire.